What's up, Naylor?
As soon as I turn the PT on, it stalls out.
Stalls out, turn, give it a little. Wait, let me see.
Working good.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're in business, Naylor.
That's good.
Move your chute this way.
I'll do it.
Yeah, get inside the tractor for him, please. Eric, there's something in here. I gotta get it out. There's something in here. Put the blower down. Turn it off. And turn the back lights on. The back lights. Back lights. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Brother, you're in business here. You did most of the job. I'm just gonna clean this out because why not?
Clean it, eh? Look, bro.
Oh.
That's it, chef. That's it.
There it is. You did a good job cleaning it though.